Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is Lowe's good for fence installation? Is Lowe's expensive for fence installation? Quora. Lowe's doesn't install anything. The installation services they offer are done by subcontractors, not Lowe's employees. If there are any issues with the work, Lowe's will not back it up. They'll tell you to deal directly with the subcontractor. What is a linear foot in fencing? Simply put, the term linear feet is a measurement of length. That can be the length of the amount of fencing you want to install, or the length of an individual board. You'll use this term when estimating the amount and cost of materials you'll need for a project. How much does it cost to install a fence? Fence installation costs depending on the material you choose. Fences cost $15 to $60 per linear foot installed, or $10 to $35 per linear foot for materials and $5 to $20 per linear foot for labor. If you're installing the fence in a particularly rocky or hilly area, labor costs may be higher. What is the cheapest kind of fence to have installed? PVC fencing. The cheapest way to create a fence for your home is by getting one made from PVC. Such fences substitute wooden pickets and stakes to offer your protection from the outside world. PVC sleeves improve the stability of wooden posts used as a fence, reducing the cost of material and the labor used. Is it hard to install vinyl fence? Do install one panel at a time. Compared to the laborious process of setting posts, installing the vinyl panels is pretty easy. It typically involves snapping pieces together by hand with minimal need for tools.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.